colleagues and dear students. The saplings planted years back have borne fruits. Many of our Sindhi students today are chartered accountants, investment bankers, financial planners, stockbrokers, and so on, shining like a stars. And one such alumnus present among us today, SHASHANK BHAT. I welcome you, SHASHANK BHAT. I'm extremely honored to introduce today's speaker, Mr. SHASHANK BHAT, who is a co-founder and director GST Garage, Staxo Academy, Staxo Consultants. He is also a tax consultant and has been a speaker at various seminars and conferences. I request Mr. SHASHANK BHAT to give us a presentation on GST. Over to you, SHASHANK.
Hi, good morning, all of you. It's nice to be back virtually to my college and share my knowledge with you guys. So today we'll be talking about GST, basically. I know you're too young to learn in detail, but because you have some bit of it covered in your syllabus also, what we'll try to do today is discuss some basics about GST, so that when you have the subject in your graduation or even for your working level knowledge for your day-to-day transactions or day-to-day life, this basic knowledge about GST will help you. So we'll not go into depth. What we'll be doing is we'll look at all the concepts pertaining to GST and how that concept works under GST, and is it good or bad is up to you to decide. And then we look at possible few question and answers if possible, and few issues in GST what we are facing as professionals, etc. So to begin with, I'll share my screen with you so that you can Yep. So again, I had two options today. One is I have exhaustive PowerPoint presentations covering all the topics, and I had an option to write on the board and explain to you. Now, because most of you are freshers or you don't know much about GST, there's no point in showing beautiful presentations to you because it may not work. So what I'll be doing is I'll be writing on screen each and every point, and then I'll be explaining. Don't worry, because I'll not be writing too many theory points there. I'll only be writing some examples and I'll be explaining you through the examples, right? So let me begin. Let me just get my pen ready, right? Yeah. So yeah, GST, the topic for today. Now, if you ask anyone, is GST good or bad? Right? For example,